Let's braise sardine rice today. This recipe is easy and delicious. Save this recipe now so you can have this recipe anytime you like. Let's cook now. Rice, sardine fish, onion, button mushrooms. Wash button mushroom and sliced. Peeled onion and sliced it. Cubes carrot. Peeled cucumber and sliced, then set aside. Open sardine fish can and set aside. Stir-fry onion slices until translucent. Add carrot cubes. Button mushroom slices. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and salt. Stir fry until fragrant. Add rice and stir fry. Add sardine fish and sauce, then scramble the fish. One tablespoon tomato sauce. Stir fry evenly. Sprinkle black pepper powder. Pour enough water. Deco with sardine fish and start cooking rice. Sardine rice is cooked. Wow, smells so good! Mixed well. Plate and ready to eat. Garnish with cucumber slices. Easy rice cooker recipe is the best. Let's boil burdock carrot soup today. Plant fiber helps remove waste from the body, and burdock contains ingredients that can prevent cancer and eliminate carcinogens. Burdock also has antihypertensive effects and has a good effect on improving hyperlipidemia, diabetes, rheumatism, sexual dysfunction, obesity, etc. Burdock has a hint of sweetness, making this a refreshing and non-greasy soup. Red dates, carrot, burdock, leaves carrot, sliced burdock, red dates, remove seeds. Add all ingredients and select soup. Button cook for 30 minutes. Soup is cooked, full of burdock smell. Add 1 chicken stock cubes and soup is done. This soup is so clear and non-greasy. It can remove waste from the body, improve circulation in the body, and promote metabolism. It is known as nature's best blood purifier. In particular, burdock contains a very special nutrient called inulin, which is a kind of arginine that can promote hormone secretion. Therefore, it is regarded as a food that helps the body develop muscles and bones, enhance physical strength, and aphrodisiac, and is especially suitable for diabetic patients. Do share this delicious recipe to family and friends, yeah. YouTube. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Let's cook Chinese sausage steamed potatoes slices today. Soaked Chinese sausage will help ease to remove casing. Chinese sausage remove casing and sliced. potatoes and sliced. Arrange Chinese sausage and potatoes, slices into steam plate. Doesn't it look like a beautiful flower? It's so beautiful. Steam for 10 minutes until potatoes is cooked. Chinese sausage steamed potato is done. Looks so beautiful. The flavors of potatoes and sausages blend together really well. It's appetizing. YouTube. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. There is Chinese sausage and potatoes taste in every bite. So yummy. This dish is great for entertaining guests, so remember to learn it. Do share this delicious recipe to friends and family too. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? Thanks for watching. See you in next video, ya.